Let me begin this video by just asking you this simple question. And guys, let's have a discussion in comment section. Does Yoweri Kaguta Museveni wants Bobi Wine dead?
Soko kizempe element ekwato omukadde kusigalamu soko smule osoke jire moto kesoke na yekeleza
eba springs mu moto kamunda
bakude wansi basude wansi ne gwatukira wansi.
What do they want?
When Bobi Wine begins his campaign, it was around September. Bobi Wine thought that he will have just an easy way to campaign. But now the campaign has turned out to be more chaotic than he had ever expected.
The people of Katapi. Now imagine, look at what the police is doing. Look at the police. Why are you pepper spraying our car? Why are you doing all that injustice? Why are you behaving in a criminal manner? See what the police is doing. Now to all of you, the people of you.
In case you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly please click that subscribe buttons, then allow the notification buttons to be on. Whenever you're producing a video like this one, YouTube will automatically giving you a notification. Alright guys, Bobi Wine is facing a very tough times during his campaign. It's only remaining 3 weeks so that campaign in Uganda will be done and dusted. But what Bobi Wine is passing through is just like a hell. Police blocked him from entering all his places that he had planned to hold his campaign.
To you, the police officers, I am sure when you're swearing, when you're being passed out as a police officer, you swear to keep law and order, you swear to protect people and their poverty. But now you are being used to intimidate people. I want you to know that there's a plan for you also. Every institution has been captured, including the military and the police. We want to liberate the police so that you live in dignity, so that you stop living in those Mama Njia Poli. In 2025, you must not be living in a uniport. You saw Museveni on TV He was saying that he does not care about your welfare, that even if you live in grass-thatched houses for as long as you buy guns. I tell you that after 40 years, you're supposed to be living in a better house. Uganda is not at war. Uganda is supposed to be a peaceful country, and you are supposed to be a national police. You are supposed to be friends with the citizens. You're not supposed to be feared by the citizens. Museveni is the enemy of Uganda because he does not love you. Museveni does not care about you. You are young people and you deserve better. And you deserve better payment. And you deserve better dignity. And you deserve to be promoted not according to your tribe, but according to your worth and according to...
But despite that, Bobi Wine is using all means possible to ensure that he continued with his campaign, using motorbike to carry him to the destination where he had to hold the rally.
That is protecting his gain. I want to ask you, the people of Gulu, do you have any gain to protect?
As the time goes by, things escalated, and now police started to use live bullet, tear gas, and even water cannon to disperse Bobi Wine's supporters. And guys, from all that you have witnessed or rather seen in Uganda, what is Museveni game plan or rather intention to this young man Bobi Wine? From where I see it, Museveni is very feared. He has now noticed that Bobi Wine, if he will not be contained, Bobi Wine might win that election in January, and that will be so embarrassing to President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. He has now opted to use all military and all police to stop Bobi Wine from escalating his campaign. And again, guys, before we proceed further, can Bobi Wine really manage to outsmart Yoweri Kaguta Museveni in just upcoming election? Will Bobi Wine win that election? If you are Ugandan and you are watching me until this time, just drop your thoughts in the comment section and help us to answer this question. Can really Bobi Wine manage to outsmart Yoweri Kaguta Museveni? I'm asking so because when you look at the previous or rather 2021 general election, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni managed to defeat Bobi Wine with roughly almost to 2 million votes. Can Bobi Wine be able to cover that range of 2 million votes this time round, or is just wasting his time? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. I'll be doing my best to read it and giving you a response. And with that, guys, peace and love. And with that, guys, thank you for choosing Kenya Political Brief as our primary news platform, more so on politics. Kindly please share this video to a friend. If politics is your passion, this is the place you really wish to be. Kindly subscribe. Bye bye.